That is not the forecast, by the way. Good morning, everybody. We've got some heavy rain around this morning, but not so in Nottinghamshire. Beautiful start to the day here. Thank you to our weather watcher, Helen, for sending it to us. And what we have today is that heavy rain across the north and the west, falling on already saturated ground. It's windy, especially in the northwest and through the Irish Sea today, but warm in the southeast. This is where we've got the clear skies and we'll have the lion's share of the sunshine. But you can see the amount of rainfall that we've got. More to come through the course of the morning, as I mentioned, falling on already saturated ground. This could be problematic across parts of southwest Scotland. And it's this weather front that's sinking slowly southwards as we go through the course of the day. So a lot of dry weather ahead of it, a lot of low cloud, murky conditions and heavy rain around it. And then behind it, we see a return to bright spell sunshine and some showers. The strongest winds in the northwest and also through the Irish Sea, but it's going to be quite a blustery day generally. Temperatures today peaking at about 26 degrees, somewhere in the southeastern corner, but 20 in Belfast, 20, 21, maybe even 22 around the Moray coast. Now, through this evening and overnight, as our weather front sinks south, it's bumping into an area of high pressure, so it's continuing to weaken. So towards the north and the west, there'll be a bit more cloud at times. There will also be some showery outbreaks of rain, with overnight lows between about 10 and 14 or 15 degrees. So here's our weather front for tomorrow. Here's the ridge of high pressure. It is going to try and push eastwards, and then we've got another weather front coming in to the northwest. So the southeastern quarter will start off on a fine and a dry and a sunny note. Our weak weather front, still producing this band of cloud and some showery outbreaks of rain, moves eastwards. Behind it, some brighter spells, but our next weather front coming into the north and the west introduces some showery outbreaks of rain, and some of this could be thundery in western Scotland and also Northern Ireland. Temperatures ranging from 15 in the north to 27, possibly 28, somewhere in the southeast. Now, as we head on from Wednesday into Thursday, we start to see a bit of a change. As this cold front moves away, it turns that bit fresher. Our wind direction comes in from the west, and so you can see from the yellow colours in the chart, they've replaced the warmer ambers, that temperatures will dip a touch. So we start off on Thursday with, again, a lot of dry weather. The weather front coming in from the west moves slowly eastwards through the course of the day with its showery outbreaks of rain. Could be thundery across the far northeast of Scotland, and these are the temperatures. So they've dipped a bit from the 27, 28 we're looking at in the southeast to 23 and about 18 in Belfast. Salam Ben.
This is why we leave it to the professionals, Carol. That is much more accurate than my terrible